My name is Rebeca Granillo, and I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah. I've been fly fishing for about 10 years now, and today that's exactly what we're gonna go do. My favorite tea is chai tea, so it's a fun way to start my morning. We're gonna take some extra hot water so we can have some tea on the river. There's a lot of flies out there, a lot. Streamers, grasshoppers, they get really tiny. Some of these flies are just so gorgeous. They're just so pretty. You don't have to memorize every fly at all. My recommendation would be going to your local fly shop, and they will help you select flies that are currently working in your area. What I have today is a 4-piece rod. The easiest way to assemble this is from the tip down. And so for this rod, all we're gonna do is just slide this in, push in the back support, and then tighten it up. All right, we've got rod, reel, pack, net, and we're off. While bushwhacking, always walk with your rod facing forward because you're watching the tip and what it could potentially bump into. We're gonna also do some bug sampling today. Back in the day, the gentleman would actually buy pantyhose at the store and use that material to trap bugs and insects coming down from the stream. Nowadays, you don't have to go buy pantyhose. You can just buy one of these cool things that you simply wrap over your net, and now you're gonna collect bugs from the stream. This will tell me a lot about what to use, since this is the food source that lives here. Bye. Next, pick some flies. They're to the mayfly family. We're gonna take one of these nymphs and tie this sucker on. Now we're ready to fish. The main things that a beginner should consider in fly fishing is to not be intimidated, just have fun while you're out.
A lot of people tend to, that last cast, just bump it really hard. Or they tend to kind of let it all fall apart. You're transferring energy with each forward and back cast, so what's important is that on that very last cast, you keep that momentum and you come to a full stop, lay down. Remember that, and that'll help your casting. There we go, there we go. Woo! Sweet! What's up? They're gonna be like, that's what she brought in? Like, that's what I brought in. Damn proud. So how we properly release fish is we get our hands really wet. The reason for it is like our hands are like sandpaper on their scales. Enjoy the rest of your life. I love fly fishing because it's something in my life that doesn't have an ending. And to me, that's a beautiful thing. I'm Rebecca, and this is how I go.